Okay, so now this is part 2, which is the reviewing or opening my squishies from Hawaii Land. I don't have to open this because it's already open. As you can see, I don't have to open this because it's already open, as you can see. Yeah, so sorry if you can hear the background noise, I don't care. Actually, yeah, this toast, I opened this already, but it smells so good. Yeah. But now I gotta open it. I'm really excited to open this cracking bar, so I'm not gonna open it. I'm gonna open this first. Oh my gosh. It's so realistic, like, sorry about the light thing. So yeah, okay. It's so realistic, like, oh my gosh. It's so realistic. It's so, like, wow. Oh my gosh, it is so soft. It is such a soft step. Stretch. The bow is so cute. There's defects near the bow. How's that? Over there. Right over. A little small, right? But I don't know. First scenario. Squishy. I'm so happy. Yay! Okay, I'm really happy about these. Okay, I wish Thailand, you should be the one to choose what type you want. But I don't care. At least we got our squishy. I mean my squishy. At least I got my squishy. So I'm so happy. Well, I'm so happy. That was so soft. Okay. I don't ever want to open this because it might get more defected, but it's already defected, like, yeah. But I still want to open it and see how it feels. Oh my gosh, I'm not gonna touch it when I remove it. Okay. No, I really don't want to touch it. Area. I don't want to touch it. Just look at me. Just look at it. Okay, fine. I'm gonna touch it. So, oh my. This is so defected. Come on. Can you crack it? It's like defected. So sad. But at least I have my squishies. It's okay when it's not cracking, it doesn't see. Makes me happy. Well, this is kind of squishy, but it is so, like, oh my gosh. There's lots of defects. I guess she did notice it. There's a small hole. But I don't know what's the hole for. But she could only crack it this way. Not this way. This cracks so easy. Wait, yeah. It's so cracking. Like, it's bending. something. That's cool. So I will be stopping this video because I'm really excited about this. So I am actually gonna watch some cracking videos. So yeah, bye.